All right, my loves, we found some items, okay? The jackpot, we hit it. Look at this. Honey, just when I thought I was done, I come across new items. I come across more items. It's giving very Ulta. It's giving very Sephora, okay? Sephora, right? Just gonna take a little drop and put it over here. If you got a Dollar Tree, one thing you want to do is, if you come across these, you see this lip color? Guess how much this was? Yep, you guessed it right. $1.25. Dollar Tree and a plate. Hey, my loves. Okay. When the last time you guys been to Dollar Tree? Okay. Who is the last time you been there? I guarantee you, you are going to absolutely love this video. They have so many new finds. Now, this just gives name brand. You see this? Joa? Is that how you pronounce it? Endless lip color? Now, these are $1.25. And you guys know red is my thing, like a chicken wing. Oh, honey, and they got a lot of reds, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and get this one. This one is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so first up, we are going to try the Joa Endless Lip Color. You know, when I'm in Dollar Tree, the colors, they be looking a different color, you know? And I could have sworn this looked at like bright red, but for some reason, it looked like a peachy color. All right, and this color is called Flirtin'. Now, I did see that they supposedly carry this at like Walmart. But when I put it in this search bar, because it showed like Walmart, the packaging, honey, a 10 out of 10. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. The packaging is gorgeous. Like this. Now, this is a flat color. Like all the, I think, Joa long wear lip colors, it showed that they all matte. Okay, they all a flat finish. So let's see. Okay. All right. Let me see how it looks. Ooh, chill. Now, and I did think this was a red, because in the store, it looked just like red. I like this. Absolutely like this. Now, my favorite two lipstick colors is always going to be a bright red and definitely a bright orange. Love me a bright orange and a bright red. Flat finish. That's my preference. Now let's get into the rest of these. I know what you was thinking. You was like, Dina, I know you done. The devil is a liar. Okay? And that's word to the mother and the brother. Look, Dollar Tree also have the turmeric milk brightens and nourish. Look at this. Look at this. This serum. All right, so the next one we have is the turmeric face milk brightens and nourish. I just got out the shower. I use black soap, African soap. I tell you guys, that's what I pretty much use, like to wash my face, to cleanse my face. And I mean, Dollar Tree is really doing it. I mean, very, very impressed. I'm impressed. So let's just put some up here. Ooh. Okay. I mean, it don't really have a smell like, it has like a slight smell. Well, I like this. I like the way it feels. Okay. So you see the difference? This side, you can tell, like, I put something on there, and this side, it looks dry. You get what I'm saying? It's a difference. I like this. You see the way it even looks on the bottle? Really, really cute. Now, daily essentials to nourish and support balanced glowing skin. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants and reduces the appearance of redness for a natural glow to skin. Now, apply to clean, slightly damp skin and pat until absorbed. Use daily, morning or night. Mineral oil free, paraben free, alcohol free, and not tested on animals. Okay, so this is the turmeric face milk. Honey, just when I thought I was done, I come across new items. I come across more items. It's giving very Ulta. It's giving very Sephora. Okay? Sephora, right? It's giving. Exfoliate and jelly cleanser with hyaluronic acid. They also have the Super Berry Glow Boosting Clay Mask with their K word. They also have, this one is fancy, honey. I love the way this looks. The Super Berry Brightening Double Serum with vitamin C. And then they also have the Super Berry Hydrate and Jelly Cream. Okay? These are $1.25. Let me know in the comment section if you guys had seen this. I said I wasn't going to get another one, but I'm going to just go ahead and get this one just so I could try it for you guys. Now, we are going to try this one next. Now, this one is the Super Berry. Oh my goodness. Dollar Tree is like really out here doing it for me. Look at this. I mean, don't this just this gives the vibes of it costs more than $1.25. Okay, it really does. Now I'm gonna put it on here, and this has vitamin C in here. Just gonna take a little drop and put it over here. When I tell you, this smells good. Like when I first put it on, it smelled way stronger like than when it settles. Oh my tea. Okay. Now, I put, I guess, a little too much on. You don't need that much. A little goes a long way. You see how my face looks, how it's shiny over, really shiny. Now, could you guys tell the difference? Like this one, you know, it feels, my face feel like dewy, plump. This side, you know, feel oily, right? Looks oily, but I absolutely. Now, when it comes to my favorite, I definitely have to say this one, okay? The turmeric face milk, so good. Oh my goodness. And this one, it smells really, really, really good. I like this. And you see how they have it? Oh my goodness, Dollar Tree is doing it. They just doing it for me. You get what I'm saying? Now, they also have this lemon face scrub, brightens and plump skin. I don't need no more, you know, stuff like this. I still got that other stuff. Now, they also have this face toner. Okay, cherry sparkle. This is $1.25. And then they also have the berry glowy. This is $1.25 as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these two. All right, so the next item is the coconut oil plus glycerin cleansing toner pads, hydrates and smooth skin. 40 pads you get. And I'm gonna just go ahead and open it. Now, since I had put some of the face stuff on this side, like it's still really, really oily, I'ma just take some. the smells of this stuff. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm going to have to bring Amani, my youngest daughter, and because when she come from her father, this stuff smells so good. When she come from her father's house, she'll try to like take all of these. Mines. Look at the wipes. The pads. I like this. I like the texture. Really, really good. Oh, Lordy. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Honey, you see, I told you, honey, I just got out there and shower, girl. Oh. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is official. You know what? You guys are doing your thing like a chicken wing. You're doing it, Dollar Tree. You're definitely doing it. Okay? So, these are 4 items, okay, that if you are in Dollar Tree, you definitely want to pick these up. Really, really good. Oh my goodness. And I just wish that they had another lip color like this, like a different color with the Joa. Oh my, you see this? Do you? I don't think you see this. Really nice.